In this video, we will practice some of the basic problems of the logarithms. Let's say we have log base 5 of x is equal to 2. We need to write this expression in the exponential form. Well, the base is 5 right over here. Power is 2, 5 to the 2 power or 5 square, and the answer is x. Okay. Let's take a different one. Let's say we have log base 3 of 7 is equal to x. For this one, the base is 3. Okay, power is x right here, and the answer we get is 7. So 3 to the x power is 7. Let's take a different example. Let's say we have b cube is equal to 27. This is already in the exponent form and we need to put it into logarithmic form. So we have log base is what? This, the one that has the power. So log base b of means the answer, that is 27, is equal to the power is 3. So b to the third power is 27. Okay, similarly we have, let's say, e to the y power is equal to 33. That means in the logarithmic form we will write log base is what? E, and what is the answer we get is 33. So log base e of 33 is equal to the power y. E to the y power is 33. Let's take a look at some different problems. Let's say we have log base 2 of 16 is equal to 4, right? 2 to the 4th power is 16. We multiply 2 repeatedly 4 times, we get 16. However, what about this one? Let's say we have log base 2 of 1 over 16. Then what is the answer? Well, just pay attention to the number first. The number will still be 4. Okay. However, we have used a fraction over here. That means it will be a negative sign. Why is that? Let me show you this. So we have over here, as I said, the base is 2, right? So base is 2. What is the power? Negative 4. And the answer I'm getting is 1 over 16. And that is correct. Because in the exponent form, when we have a negative power such as this one, negative 4. So what happens is, this is same statement as 1 over 2 to the 4th power. And we know 2 to the 4th power is 1 over 16. So anytime you see a fraction, that means the answer will be negative, or the power is negative. Okay. Similarly, we have, let's say, log base 7 of 49 is what? What is the power of 7 over what power? We get 49. Well, 7 times 7 is 49, right? 7 to the 2 power or 7 square. But when we have log base 7 of 1 over 49, what happens? Remember, the answer is same, but we will have a negative sign. Okay, because 7 over to the power negative 2 is same as saying 1 over 7 square. That is 1 over 49, which is this statement and this right here are exactly same. Okay, so make sure to practice enough, and tomorrow we will be reviewing more complex problem. And don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.